Ijaji uKolapeni lithe akulona iqiniso ukuthi ukumiswa kaMagashule kwakuwagxoba ngezinyawo amalungelo akhe akumthethosisekelo.
Mr. Magashule contends that his suspension results in the violation of his rights to equality and human dignity, located in Section 9 and 10 of the Bill of Rights. While it may well be argued that at the level of principle, an unlawful suspension may have the potential to impact on the dignity of an individual, if the suspension accords with the ANC's constitution and the jurisdictional requirements set out therein, then it can hardly be contended that it stands to be set aside because its effect is to infringe upon or impair the dignity of Mr. Magashule.
Leli jaji laseNkantolo ephakeme lichaze kabanzi nangezinye izigatshana zomthetho uMagashule abezibalulile kulesicelo sakhe.
Rule 25.70 does not relate in any manner whatsoever to a trial, and therefore the attempt to apply it in the context of Rule 2570 is misplaced and not sustainable.
Abukho ubufakazi obambekayo obushoyo ukuthi ngalezi iphakamiso zokushenxiswa kwamalungu isigungu esiphezulu seANC sasophe abathile.
There is, in our view, no merit in the contention that there was a narrowing down or a repurposing of the ANC conference resolutions by the NEC, and the challenge to the step-aside rule on this leg must also fail.
Sibe sesikhishwa isinqumo ngalolu daba lukaMagashule.
The application to strike out is dismissed with costs, including cost of 3 counsel, which costs are to exclude the cost of the duplicated documents as set out more fully in Annexures A and B to the notice in terms of Rule 6, brackets 15. 2. The application for condonation by Mr. Ramaphosa in respect of the late filing of his answering affidavit is granted. 3. The application incorporating the relief sought in paragraphs 2.1 to 2.3 of the notice of motion is dismissed with costs, including the cost of 3 counsel.
Amanye amajaji abayilalele lolu daba yijaji uSherris Wayner kanye nejaji uEdwin Mulahleli. NguCalvin Dludla, wezindaba zeSABC, ngibika ngiseGoli.